itchy.
Hello. How you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shay. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video, y'all basically going to watch me slay this 13x4 lace front wig that I received from SoGoodHair.com, and sis, the name speaks for itself. So I received their 13x4 lace front wig, deep curly in the inch 22 and a density 150, which in my opinion was pretty darn good. I love the density, I'm not gonna lie. So let me tell y'all one pro that I have about this wig. It already comes pre-plucked, which is a major plus for beginners like me. However, because it was pre-plucked, I decided, okay, I might as well just go in and pluck it more to my liking. Now, when it comes to customizing your wig, it's really to your preference. You don't have to do it like anybody else. Just make it rock and do what you can do with the wig. Like, you gotta tweak it, bitch. You gotta tweak it. So I do want to throw this in for y'all. I did not bleach the knots on this wig, only because my intentions for this wig was to really just do the flip over method. But if you want more of a natural look, then I'll say go ahead and bleach the knots. But if you want to just finesse it and fleek it up like me, then go ahead, sis. Look at them curls. Them things just gonna poof up like magic. Drink y'all some water, okay? No dark sodas 2019. I'll throw that shit like fuck, because I love me some strawberry soda. This is definitely a classic, like. So I'm going in with the Show Absolute lace front glue, water resistant, and I use 1 coat, I believe. And that's all it really takes when you use this hair glue. My little back in. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I stayed home, did home stuff, edit, recording now. Just worried about me. I'm thinking about doing ASMR. Still look pretty. For you guys, I am that bitch. Period.
What is wrong with you?
I'm recording. I'm being creative. Duh. Y'all, let me tell you, I love this wig. I received so many comments on this wig. Let me tell you, this hair has barely any shedding. It has a little bit of nags every now and then, but it's nothing that you definitely can't handle. And the way these curls define, sis, let me tell you, I was feeling myself on a whole nother level. The links and all the details to this wig will be in the description box below. I want to give thanks to SoGoodHair.com for allowing me to try out this wonderful, wonderful hair. And yeah, all the products that I use will be in the description box below. I love you, Urban Mafia. Lit.